Hello, today I'd like to give you a brief walkthrough of an in-progress parent and learner resource site, the PV at Home site. So this is being updated for upcoming virtual learning, and as I said, it is in progress. However, I think it will be very helpful to both parents and learners as well as facilitators. On the site, there are several resources that I'd like to briefly point out. First is this parent and learner tech how-to, which kind of gives an overview of the how-to information that's on the site. So we've populated it with Schoology for Mac and iPad resources as well as Class Dojo resources. These include things like how to navigate those platforms, getting logged into the platforms, submitting assignments, etc. We've also populated a symbaloo page specifically for learners. This includes links to all the most popular curricular resources that we use at Pequea Valley so that learners can get direct links right to those resources and you don't have to continuously relink those. Feel free to use the PV symbaloo embed code that will be provided on the facilitator equivalent to the at-home site, which is the Pequea Valley Virtual Learning Site, to embed this symbaloo page directly into your Schoology, or you can also link it into Class Dojo. Also on this page, just a couple other things to point out are the learner tech tools how-tos, Class Dojo how-tos, Schoology how-tos, as well as Mac and iPad how-tos. So essentially any tool that you are using that's part of kind of our core resources tech-wise at Pequea Valley, there should be a tutorial on how to do most of the basic functionality of that tool and how to then submit to either a Schoology assignment on Mac, iPad, or to submit to a Class Dojo assignment. That way you can take those tutorials, such as the one that I'm going to navigate to now here on Discovery Ed, and I can simply use the share feature here, grab that link, link it into a Schoology assignment or a Class Dojo assignment for learners and parents to access that. So feel free to use these videos as how-to guides for navigating to any of the tools that you're using, as well as submitting from the tools that you're using. I hope that this brief overview can encourage you to come and look at the resources that are on this site. I do hope that this overview was helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.